It's already morning. I must hurry. Today is school day. Let me pack their tiffin box and water bottle. I hope they have a good day at school. I must finish quickly. Their uniforms are ready. The school bags are ready.
Betty, what are you doing so early in the morning?
School mornings are so busy in this house.
Every morning is so busy in this house. Busy mornings are never easy.
Yes, we always have so much to do before school.
Good. Are the children ready?
Go and wake them up.
Okay, I will wake them. Wake up, children. It's time for school.
I am awake. 5 more minutes, please.
I'm ready, Dad. Here I come.
What is that?
No more sleep. Hurry up and get ready.
Okay, Dad. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Ha.
Go and brush your teeth.
Let's brush our teeth now.
Hurry up. We are getting late.
I'm coming.
Good children. Be quick.
Good morning, kids. Which school uniform do you want to wear today? I have your shirts ready.
Children, here are your uniforms.
Wear them now.
Thank you, Mom. I will wear mine quickly.
Mom, this is my shirt.
Hurry up and get dressed.
Let's wear our uniforms fast.
Okay, I'm changing now. Mom, how do I look in my uniform?
You look good.
You look very smart. Thank you, Mom. You look neat and ready for school. Come, let me put this properly.
Great. I feel happy now.
That's nice.
Here, wear your socks first. Good children. Now, wear your shoes quickly.
So you are finally ready.
Come here. Give me a hug. Okay, Mom. Be a good girl at school.
Breakfast is ready.
Children, come quickly and sit at the table. Have your breakfast now. Eat your breakfast properly before school.
Yeah.
Don't be late.
Okay. I am very hungry.
I love the spanking.
My milk.
Okay, I am finishing my breakfast.
Let's go. We are getting late.
Bye. Bye, dear.
I am coming, Mom.
I am coming, Dad.
Hurry up, children. Get in the car. Take your bags and come quickly. Sit properly and wear your seatbelts.
am so excited for school. Let's go.
Okay, children, the school is here.
We have arrived at school.
Study well and be good.
Okay, children, be good in school.
Okay, Mom.
Hello, good morning. How are you?
Oh, teacher, we just came to drop the children.
Don't worry, children. This is your school.
There are so many children here.
Goodbye, children. Have a nice day. See you in the evening.
Let me show you your class.
Okay, teacher.
Come with me. I will take you to your classroom. Here is your class. Sit down and relax. Hello, children. This is Anna and Tom. Please welcome them to the class.
Hello, friends.
Hello, friends.
Okay, let us start the class now. Very good. Today we will learn English. Okay, lunchtime now. Have your lunch and come back. Open your books.
Shall we start our lesson now?
Let's begin with simple words. Okay, children, school is over now. We will continue tomorrow. Goodbye, children. See you tomorrow.
How was your day at school today?
It was very good.
Okay, get inside.
Get in carefully, children.
Did you make new friends?
Yes, Dad. Have your dinner and go to bed.
Okay, Mom. I am very tired.
I will eat quickly and sleep. Good night, Mom and Dad.
Good night. Sweet dreams.